Hi, Astra here, answering your questions submitted via Instagram. This question, submitted by Serotonin, is, why is space? Which is actually a way better question than it sounds. Space is the void between objects, or stuff, in the universe. Although it may seem like a static stage on which the history of the universe plays out, space is actually an active participant. Observations show that what we perceive as space is actually linked to time, is warped by anything with mass, and is growing. The universe appears to be expanding at an accelerating rate, so space is getting bigger at a faster rate every day. So, why is space? And why is space growing at an accelerating rate? Astrophysicists believe space didn't always exist, but began at an explosion around 14 billion years ago, commonly known as the Big Bang. Normally, explosions have a finite initial force, and intuitively it makes sense that the outward expansion of the universe should be slowing down due to the constant inward pull of gravity. When we throw a ball up in the air with an initial force, the constant pull of the gravity slows the ball down and eventually causes it to return to Earth. Even if we threw the ball hard enough to reach escape velocity, or fast enough to overcome the pull of Earth's gravity, the ball would still slow down as the Earth pulled on it. So why isn't space slowing down? Why is the universe expanding faster each day when all the mass inside it is pulling it back in on itself? Astrophysicists aren't sure, but have several ideas. Einstein's cosmological constant would describe space itself as having intrinsic energy. So as space expands, there's more space, and therefore more outward space energy, and therefore even more space in an accelerating chain reaction. Quantum mechanics posits that empty space is actually full of temporary particles which constantly appear and disappear. But when astrophysicists actually tried to calculate the added acceleration this would give the universe, they were off by 10,120 times. So let's workshop that one, maybe. Quintessence and dark energy are names astrophysicists have for a mysterious theoretical energy fluid which fills all space and has the opposite effect of matter, pushing the universe outwards rather than pulling it in. Or Einstein's theory of the universe could be wrong. Like Newton's theory of gravity, which works on smaller scales but lacks completeness, Einstein's theory could also be an incomplete picture of the universe. In summary, space is because of the Big Bang. More space is because shrug emoji and galaxy brain? Astra out. Thank you so much for joining us here on Bad Astra. If you enjoyed watching, please like this video, leave a comment telling us what topic you'd like to see next month, and share it with everyone you know. Be sure to also subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss a new episode. And if you can't get enough of me, Eris, and Science Tommy, join our Patreon, where we post behind-the-scenes, deep dives, and other fun content. A special thank you to all of our Patreon supporters who make these videos possible. Astra out.